ladies and gentlemen, today I'm gonna be showing how to make milkshake. Okay, step number 1, you need a cup. Just a normal cup that has a lid, okay? So like a cup with a lid, so you can shake it, okay? And I've got this thing, special, here. Next is you need a can of 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter, whatever liter, just milk. What you need next is a ton of ice cream. Ice cream. Today I got cookies and cream, so it'll be cookies and cream milkshake. What you need next is sugar. Any ends? Sugar. And what you need next is ice. So step number 1. Wait, we forgot one more thing. What you need is a spoon for the ice cream. Okay, step number 1 is open your lid, your cup lid. Step number 2 is get ice cream, put it in the cup. Put around 2 spoons. So I'm gonna put my phone down and get it to the road. So 1 big ice cream. And 2 big ice cream. And 1 in my mouth. Taste it. Step number 2 is put this in the sink. So that was step number 3. Put it in the sink, the spoon. Clean it, so your mums don't clean it, or your dad. Make them happy. Okay, step number 4 is put milk. Put a lot of milk. Okay, like that much. So 350 millimeters. I think that's millimeters. Okay, so put your ice cream back in the freezer or fridge, wherever you put your ice cream, and put your milk back in the fridge so it doesn't taste like shit. Okay. So, step number 5, I think. You need another spoon for the sugar. Teaspoon, okay? Not a big one. So, what you want to do is get sugar and put 2 teaspoons of sugar. Well, this is a half because the other one was a bit more. Okay, put that back and get 1 block of ice. Just like this one, ice. It's not the drug ice, so put that in. I'm gonna try my hands. Okay. So step number, I have no idea, forgot, I got out of track, but put this special thing if you have it. If you don't, who cares? Wait, let me put them properly. And put the lid on. Put it properly. You're going to spill it all over. Alright, so I'm going to put this down. Do it really tight. Well, super tight. Alright, it should be closed, okay? And then shake that booty and make it sweat. Shake that booty and make it sweat. Yeah, so shake this like, I don't know, I've got a timer here, so I'll shake it for 1 minute now. So another tip is, if you don't know how long to shake it, wait till the ice melts, and it should mean it's done. Or until the ice sounds like it's really weak, which means it's really small. Okay? So 40 seconds left, so it's around a minute. If you don't know, just wait till the ice cream melts. I mean the ice, sorry. Why I put ice is it makes it creamy for some reason. Also, it helps you make the sounds, and also it helps the, what's it called? The ice cream to melt faster, so, yeah, but, yeah, put at least one ice, I recommend. My arms, I'm gonna switch my hand. My arms hurt like hell. Look at that. Alright, let's count down super fast, alright? 10 seconds. Ready? Set, go. 1. What? Uh-oh. Spaghetti-o. Something exploded. That wasn't actually meant to happen, but I guess... Oh shit, I'm almost... Oh shit! Okay, well that wasn't meant to happen, but yeah, that's the end of that. But once you're done, open the lid, get a cup, put it in the cup and drink. Oh shit. Everything just exploded like a bomb. Shit. Okay, see ya guys. Bye!